So, yada yada yada, I'm watching Dragon Quest on Channel 7 as Deca. Oh look, PBS Kids commercials. Gee, I wonder what will happen in the next 3 seconds. That's... Ooh.
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine.
This warning for York, Maine, beginning at 3:56 and ending at 4:41. And yes, I have 2 TVs. I'm able to get Channel 7 Mexico. Yeah. It's all because of magic, baby. Believe it. Never.
Located over Cornish, Oregon, 15 miles southwest of Naples, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated.
Yeah, I'm jacking my meat. I'm fucking your mom.
Sighting
Yeah.
entries. Locations and patches include Hiram, Cornish, Standish, Leamington, Limerick, Parsonsfield, Baldwin, Newfield, Porter, and Sebago. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to
find out more about cool animals and something Wildcrats, go to the Wildcrats website on pbskids.org. We'll see you there. Choo.
Cumberland, Oxford, and York.
That's it? We're done? Okay, we're done.
That can take you back in time to meet some amazing new friends. It's him.
Buongiorno.
Xavier